In this video, I will show you how to download and install apps on your TCL Android TV. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your TCL Android TV is connected to the internet. So just use your remote control and then scroll over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your TCL Android TV. Now go ahead and click on it and then make sure that you're actually connected to the internet. Now as you can see over here, my TCL Android TV is connected to my mobile phone hotspot. You can go ahead and make sure it is connected to your home Wi-Fi or just any router. And once this is done, you want to come over to this list of apps over here on your TCL Android TV and then just scroll horizontally until you get to the Google Play Store app. Now if you do not find it here, just as you can see it over here on my TCL Android TV, what you can just do is to go ahead and click on Add to Favorite. Now this will open up all of the apps on your TCL Android TV, and what you just want to do is to scroll down and then go ahead and select the Google Play Store from this list of apps over here. You might find it over here, or you might actually find it at the bottom of your TCL Android TV. In my case, it is over here, so I'll go ahead and select it, and it automatically brings up the Google Play Store as one of the list of apps on the home page of my TCL Android TV. So I'll go ahead and select it to open up the Google Play Store. Now as long as your Google account is actually signed into your TCL Android TV, then the Google Play Store should open up for you. But if you do not have your Google account signed in, then just go ahead and make sure it is signed in. As you can see, my Google account is over here. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and search for the particular app you want to download and install into your TCL Android TV. Now you can literally see that apps are actually arranged in different categories over here. Also, you can come over to the top and then just use this search bar at the top to search for specific apps you actually want to download and install into your TCL Android TV. Now for the purpose of this video, I'll just go ahead and download and install the YouTube Kids app over here on my TCL Android TV. So you just want to go ahead and select that particular app you want to download and install, then go ahead and click on the install button as you can see over here. Now this is just going to take a minute or two for that particular app you want to download and install to fully download into your TCL Android TV. And once it is done downloading, what you just want to do is to go ahead and open it up directly from here by just clicking on the open button, just like so. And now you have the YouTube Kids app running smoothly on my TCL Android TV. Now you can go ahead and follow the same steps to download and install any app you want into your TCL Android TV as well. Now finally, if you come over to the home of your TCL Android TV and then you want to add that particular app you just downloaded into the home of the list of apps over here, what you can just do is to go ahead and click on Add to Favorite at the end over here, and then just scroll down until you find that particular app you just downloaded and installed into your TCL Android TV. Select it, and immediately that particular app will be added to the list of apps on your TCL Android TV. Now that is basically how to download and install apps from the Google Play Store of your TCL Android TV. If you're looking at downloading and installing third-party apps and APKs into your TCL Android TV, I am going to make a separate tutorial on how to go about doing that. So you want to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and probably just check my next video on how to sideload apps into your TCL Android TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.